Day 20, the detachment exercise. The idea of using tantric or telepathic process to influence or attract a specific person, especially with their photo, ventures into ethically complex areas. It's important to respect the free will of others. Tantra, in its pure form, is a spiritual practice that aims for self realization, union with the divine, and mastering the energy within oneself, not controlling others. However, if you are looking for ways to connect energetically with someone or align yourself with the purpose of attracting love into your life, there are healthier and ethical sound methods such as visualization, meditation, and enhancing your own vibrational energy. Below is a step to step process focused on a self aligned and visualization, which are more about working on yourself rather than manipulating others' positive energy. 1. Create a space. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Cleanse the area if you feel it's necessary by burning sage or lighting candles. Sit in a comfortable position and ensure your mind is clear of distraction. Second, relaxation and centering. Close your eyes and take deep breaths to center your energy. Focus on your breathing, allowing yourself to relax fully. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale slowly from your mouth. Repeat this for a few minutes until you feel calm. Visualization. Once you are in a calm state, imagine the person you want to attract. Picture them vividly in your mind or focus
Destined.
on their photo if you have it with you. Important point is keep your intent pure. Visualize feeling of love, connection and mutual respect rather than controlling or manipulation. Imagine the positive energy flowing between you and them. Focus on happiness, shared moments and openness. Send love energy. If your mind focus on the heart chakra and imagine a soft glowing light from your heart, picture this light expanding and becoming brighter as you breathe. Visualize this light reaching to the person you are thinking of, surrounding them with warm and positive energy. See this energy being shared in a way that aligns with their highest good and free will. Affirmation or mantra. While focusing on this energy, you can repeat an affirmation or mantra. This could be something like I am attracting love, respect, and connection into my life. I send love and light to that special person, and may we both connect on a soul level for the highest good. Let the energy flow freely and with respect for free will. If you can incline use of Sanskrit mantra, you may try one like Om Shrim Kleem, which is associated with attracting love and abundance. Let go of attachment. After visualizing, take a few moments to mentally release the outcome. It is a critical step. When you too attached to the results, you create resistance, which can block the flow of energy. Allow the universe to work in its own way and trust that if it is meant to be, the connection will happen naturally. Self care and elevation. After completing the visualization, spend time focusing on yourself. Do activities that elevate your energy and make you feel good, whether it's meditation, exercise, or creative work. The higher your vibration state, the more aligned you become with attracting positive connections into your gratitude. And closing, end the session by expressing gratitude to the universe or higher power, thanking them for the opportunity to manifest love in your life. Remember that love comes in many forms, and being open to what is best for both of you and the other person will bring the highest possible out. Few important points. Telepathy.
Destined.
If you are trying
Perseverance.
to establish a telepathic connection, focus on sending thoughts and gentle messages. However, always respect the other person's energy and boundaries. Imagine communicating heart to heart and allowing them to respond freely in their own time. Energy work. You may feel tempted to dive into more forceful practices like certain occult or other rituals, but always prioritize practicing that align with free will, ethics, and positive energy. Any attempts to manipulate or control someone's emotions are not only unethical but could also create negative karmic consequences for you. True attractions happen when both people feel a natural and mutual connections. The best relationships are built on love, trust, and mutual respect. Allow space for the other person free will and work on becoming the best version of yourself to attract love that is healthy, balanced, and lasting. Thank you.